Welcome to the caverns, humans. See the pretty waterfalls. Explore as much as you please, human. Who knows what you'll find in the walls? There are many mysteries about this dark place. Just be careful. You don't want to get lost in here. They say Undyne's hunting for you. Echo flowers whisper things to you, showing a glimpse of the recent past. Sparkling stones on the ceiling instead of stars. There's also faded panels telling of our war. Sad history, but we won't lose hope. Someday we'll pay the humans back for their crimes. Undyne is hunting for revenge, and she will never cease until she finds you and kills you for your soul to set us free. She is a hero to monsters everywhere. She is the best. She is determined to find you. Fighting you is her big quest. Just be brave in the waterfall cave. Thank you, little bird, for helping me get across this small gap by flying us both over. I'll do my best. I may be small, but I am strong. I'll get you across. Thank you, little bird. Just drop me right here. That's fine. I really appreciate your effort.